How much money do you need to start a recruitment company? Okay, let me explain this, right? So let's say you want to start a recruitment company. And you're like, man, I want to start a recruitment company, but I ain't got that much money to start a recruitment company with. The truth is, it's a case of information and knowledge. As long as you have the information and the knowledge, you don't actually need money to start. Because, right, you need to contact businesses, right? So if you contact businesses, again, this is free. It's just a case of doing it in a right way, in a way which makes sense, and in a way where you can get your clients on. Then let's say you're using LinkedIn, which can be free. You can pay for it, but it can be free. So then you need to find the candidates, which again, through us, we have this for our inner circle, when we have agreements with softwares where you can actually find candidates. So there are places like CV Library, Total Jobs, Read. They have millions and millions of CVs on their databases, right? So when you guys apply for a job, they basically keep your CV and then they sell their services to businesses like us, like a recruitment company. Now, how much does that cost? It actually usually costs about 350 to 400 pounds, right? But don't worry, right? That's how much it usually costs. But for us and our inner circle, because what we said to them is, look, we help people start their own recruitment companies. We teach them, we help them, we show them, etc., etc. So because we do that, they actually have given us agreements of £250, right? Having said that, they also give us free trial. So what they say is, you could get the free trial. What the idea would be, you get businesses, you get them to say, yes, we need your services, and so on and so forth. And then you get the free trial. When you get the free trial, you can find the candidates, send them forward to the company. Once you make the full £5,000-6,000, because that's how much a recruitment company will, that's how much you're making with one placement, then obviously you can invest £200, £250, and obviously you reinvest back into your business. It's kind of how it works, right? So that's how you would make money. So to start with, you shouldn't need any money to start the recruitment business model. You shouldn't.